Hello everyone, welcome to my channel La Vida with Kim. My name is Kim and today I'm going to be showing you how to bedazzle these super cute mini ears. I am just doing the bow. I'm gonna do the front and the back of it. So guys, let's begin. I am starting off with some AB white rhinestones in a variety of sizes. Remember guys, all materials are always linked down below in the description. I am also using my pickup tool as well as my liquid fusion glue. So now getting right into it, I am going to start off by bedazzling the white dots. So with my liquid fusion, I am going to go ahead and apply it right around the edges of that white circle. And then using the size SS16 in the white AB rhinestone, I am going to do that outline, following that whole edge, making sure they fit nice and perfect around it. And now once again applying the liquid fusion in the inner area, and then going in once again with the size 16 as my main size. So this is how it looks guys once it is all filled in. I told you it is very easy and very simple. Continuing with the rest of the white dots, if you feel comfortable applying the liquid fusion to the whole circle and then going in applying your rhinestones, you can completely do that as I did here. So if you do come across areas that the 16 does not fit, go ahead and use the smaller sizes to fill those gaps in. So for the dots, I am going for a more uniform look. I want the 16 as my main size. I want it to look neat. For the red areas of the bow, you guys will see what I do with it in a bit. So just continue filling in all those dots around the bow. I am doing the front of the bow first. I did do the edge just because it was right there. So for now, just filling in all the dots in the front of the bow. Quick tip right here guys, if you see the fabric is folded, I'm not going to do anything to that. I'm just going to keep bling around it. So wherever those folds are, I am just going to bling over it. Do not try to stretch out the fabric to make it a flat circle or dot. Just leave it alone and bling right over it or around it. So you guys can see right here how I applied my liquid fusion and then just filled it in with the rhinestones, following the flow of the fabric. Look at that guys, super cute, right? So just continuing with my dots. Same thing with the middle area. You might find it easier to do this middle area first and then doing the outer parts of the bow. Just a little quick tip. I do wish I would have done this first. So guys, after finishing up those dots in the front, now I'm going to do the back one. So I would recommend for you to let this completely dry in the front first and then a few hours later start working on the back dots if you want to. If you don't want to do the dots in the back, you don't have to do them. I'm just doing it because it does bother me to see it, you know, just empty like that without rhinestones. So that's completely up to you. It's going to be the same thing, applying the liquid fusion and then going in with the rhinestones. Same thing guys. I would just say be careful, do not let go of that ear, the black part of the ear, because it's going to hit the glue and the rhinestones, and if they are fresh, they're going to mess up. They're gonna slip, they're just gonna be everywhere. It's gonna be a mess. So do hold on to those ears, and it does dry pretty quick, so not much worry there. If you do find it easier to work with 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽 that dries way quicker, you can also use that. So once I finished up all the white polka dots in the front and in the back, this is how it looked. Time to move on to the red areas of the bow. For this part of the bow, I am using red rhinestones in a variety of sizes ranging from SS3 all the way to SS20. So I am going with a scattered method for the bow. I wanted it to be a bit edgy, but yet she is going to look gorgeous guys. So starting off applying a section of liquid fusion. I am working by sections here guys. You can see I just started off at the edge of the bow, and I'm just going to be adding the rhinestones as I go depending what fits in that area. I want to make sure that the rhinestones do not overlap over the polka dots or that they're not overlapping over each other. Everything's going to be nice and flat onto the fabric. Once again, remember to work by sections. Always double check your work, and that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the bow. So here is my first section. I am finishing it up, and now I'm going to apply the liquid fusion once again in another section and continue with my scattered method. You might also find it easier to do the edges, working around the polka dots and the edges of the bow, and then going in and filling in that middle of your section. That's what I like to do. So guys, right here I am finishing up this side of the bow. Look how beautiful it is coming together. I just love that scattered look. It looks so beautiful. I feel like those uniform style dots really stand out between that scattered method. Look at that. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Remember guys, wherever the fabric is folded, just work around it like I am doing here. Very, very simple guys. And look at my ears guys, they are coming together. The bow is looking beautiful. Finishing up that front of the bow guys, look how gorgeous it looks. If you want to leave it like this, you totally can guys, but like I said, it does bother me to see that back side just too plain guys, so I want to bedazzle it too. So doing this part is completely up to you guys. It's going to be the same thing, same process I did to the front. The only difference is that you do have to hold on to the ear like I previously told you guys, to make sure that it's not touching that fresh area that you just bedazzled. So just be very careful with that. Hold on to it, let that glue dry for a bit at least before you let it go and it starts rubbing on the bow. So same thing guys, look at this. I am just finishing up. I'm going to let the ears dry completely for a few hours before I use them. Doesn't it take it to a whole nother level guys, bedazzling that back area? Oh my gosh, I just love it. So here are my final results guys. What do you guys think? They are so gorgeous, so shimmery, beautiful guys. I love them. Super easy and quick to do guys. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Now you know how to bling your beautiful mini ears. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you already did. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate all of you guys, and once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.